I live in this travel trailer. We have spent the night out at Antelope Island. Pretty gorgeous spot, but it's time to get out of here, and I'm going to show you guys how I get my travel trailer ready for departure. The first step is to put our bike mounts in place. Got our downhill, our DJ. Next, we got to push this chair. After I got the chair put away, I like to get both the monitors off their arms. We got to drop the bed. Now that we have the bed lowered, we can use these thumb tabs on the back of the monitors to pop the monitors off and throw them on the bed so that they're safe while we're driving. Now we just push both the monitors arms back. Take these two strings off of this hook and grab the top one. We'll run that to the top hook on this side. We'll grab the lower one and we'll run that to the lower hook on this side. Now our monitor arms are safe for when we go drive. Next, we need to get all of this off the desk and tucked away underneath it. Now that we have the desk cleared off, everything except for the keyboard, which will slide back past this crease, we will fold it down, tucking away everything inside, and bring our bikes inside. A couple little buttons. Now we can put the bed up, tucking away the monitors. The bed just goes up and down with these two buttons here, and there's a little key if you want to lock it so that no one can move them up and down. Before I step outside, I'm gonna grab myself a 6mm Allen key. Now I'm gonna take both of the front wheels off of my bikes. Starting with the downhill bike, we're gonna bring them inside. If it's a toy hauler and the back drops out, why don't I just bring the bikes through the back? That's a great question, partially because I'm an idiot. It's a bit more work usually. Now you gotta be sure to close your back two windows. Lifting belt away, obviously. You want to make sure to close all of these buttons. Take this out so it's not putting a ton of strain on your outlet while you're driving. Grab all of your necessities. Get them all. Get every single button. Now I'll move this office chair out of the way the other way. You'll notice I have the same string system. For the kitchen cleanup, what I like to do, take my dish drying rack, cure it at the bottom here. Take all of my knives, put them in sharp side down so I don't stab myself during the rest of this process, like I've done too many times. Put all those away. And with the soap, other soap, kind of soap, sponge wrung out, and throw it in your little sponge holder. This backpack or anything else I would consider to be extra weight, I like to throw up front so you have as much tongue weight on the trailer as possible. Make sure this is closed. Close our final window. I lied, close this window as well. Now if we reach under the bicycle, we will find two straps. One of the last steps in getting my trailer ready to rumble is tying down this office chair so it doesn't go swinging around this thing at the speed of Jesus. I'm gonna do this side first. Why? That's a better way to do this. Seems good enough to me. Pop the shoes off so they're not putting a ton of weight on this door while we're driving. I do also like to open this up and turn my inverter off, just so we're not sucking a bunch of power we don't need to. We obviously got to fold up the stairs so the door is open all the way. Make sure your lights are off. The next thing I like to do before I get going on the rest of the trailer is taking off this big old lock. Pieces, pull them back together. Now we want to take off all of these scissors, not the other chalk, not the plastic boys. Nice. The next thing we want to do is we want to back up the truck to the trailer. You see that knee maneuver? That was so tactical. Take this guy. Fits like a glove now. Take your pin. Sure, that's in. That's obviously your most important piece. Safety chains. Can't quite reach. Okay, there we go. Well, foot maneuver. Certainly a maneuver. Look at that. Fits perfect. Easiest thing I've ever done. This thing sucks. And last but not least, plug for, you know, everything. Now we just grab out the plastic wheel chocks. Bag 4. Oh. Throw them in there. Be sure to double check all this before you get driving. It is the most important thing humanly possible that you could ever do. Last but not least, we gotta lower the trailer down for highway towing. Typically go about there, looks about level. I typically lock the door before I get going. Just makes me know that it's not gonna come flying out open on the freeway. That's how I get my thing ready to get moving, my house ready to tow, and my mobile house ready to mobilize. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Check out the next one.